Hey guys, I made it, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a support for a toy train track. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we have our trestle template. So the gap here is about 2 inches, which gives it a nice snug fit, and then each of these little things that stick up are about 5/16 inches tall and about 1/4 inch wide. And you'll want to make sure that your wood grain is running up and down, because otherwise those would probably snap off pretty easily. As far as your height, you can make that however you want. I don't exactly do a certain height. I just do whatever size piece of wood I have. So I might make like one that big or that big. So here I have a scrap piece of wood that I'm going to use to make this. So as you can see, we're going with the grain. So all we have to do here is trace out these lines. Just gonna take this, use it as a square. Now we'll just mark off here. So now let's take this over and cut out the bandsaw. So now I'm just gonna put some of my natural wood polish on. I'll put a link up above to the video where I show how to make that. Just give it a wipe. So here we have our completed trestle, and as you can see, it fits pretty well. It's a little bit loose. So if you want it to be a tighter fit, you can make it a little bit smaller, about 1 7/8, I'd say. So yeah. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.